Continuing to target Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his second day of campaign in Tamil Nadu, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Sunday alleged Chinese troops have occupied Indian territory and the man with 56 inches chest cannot even utter the name of the neighboring country. After a gap of over 2.5 months, the Indian and Chinese armies on Sunday held another round of Corps commander level talks with an aim to move forward and disengagement of troops from all friction points to eastern Ladakh, sources said. Protesting farmers will enter the capital and take part in a Kisan Gartan parade, driving tractors on 5 routes covering around 100 km on January 26 after Delhi police on Saturday gave an in-principle approval for the rally to be held in peaceful manner. The Congress on Sunday slammed the center over fuel prices touching an all-time high and demanded that the excess duty hike effected by the Modi government during its tenure be immediately rolled back to give relief to the masses. Amid a spate of defections from the ruling TMC to the saffron camp in Bengal ahead of the assembly polls, state BJP President Dilip Ghosh on Sunday allayed apprehensions that the turncoat would be given more importance than the old-timers, bringing relief to some of the party's young leaders. Thousands of farmers from across Maharashtra reached Mumbai on Sunday evening to participate in a rally at the state capital on Monday against the centre's 3 new farm laws. The Delhi police on Sunday said the over 300 Twitter handles have been generated in Pakistan to create disturbance during the farmers' tractor rally in the national capital in Republic Day.